Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer once again. I'm bringing you another tutorial on how to make press passes for your photography or media group company. Now, there's a number of reasons why I'm making this video today early in the morning at 2:45 a.m. It's because I want to emphasize two things why you need a press pass at all times. If you're traveling for work as a photographer or video media group, it is crucial to carry one of these press passes, especially to airports. Now, keep in mind that you also need your business card and an active website to get discounts from airlines, especially if you're on flying for a shoot and you want discounts for all your camera gear. And I try to at least carry on my camera gear and not bring too much, but if you need to bring so much camera gear, this would help you get discounts with airlines, so take that with a grain of salt. But before we get started, please do subscribe, like, and share the content, and hit that thumbs button. It really does help me out, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to support this channel financially, there's two ways. You can also hit the PayPal donation link or those Amazon links down in the description below. But with that said, let's get started here. The reason why I made a press pass, because in 6 weeks time, and today is February 17th, 2020, I will be attending a wedding. And this wedding is in a very secure place with security. And I needed a press pass so it'd be easier for me to exit and enter the building. And the reason why I'm making this press pass again is because I lost the first one at Comic-Con in San Jose back in 2018. And now I'm making another one because it seems that in my right mind, in the back of my head, it's telling me that I'm probably going to need one of these in the future once again, so let's just make one right now. So I wanted to show you guys what I created and what I came up with, and I changed a few things. I did download this template and then change quite a bit of stuff. First and foremost, I would like to say I added press with big fronts. Now, this one here is about 24, and I added a stroke. The stroke, based on the size of the front, you need to execute it really well. For this size 24, I added a size 2 stroke. Outside is my position. My blend mode is on normal. And I also did the same thing for my website, but on my website, you can go here, you can see the stroke settings. You can see that it's at 1. The position is still outside and the blend mode is still on normal. And that's because without it, it just looks kind of dull. When you add a stroke and you fix it up, it looks polished. It looks so much professional and it stands out better. I also changed the colors on my press pass here, and if I was to click on this, I can change the color to any color I want, but I always tend to go with red because red helps white fronts stand out better, and also blue, but red does it much efficient. And then I added my name, the Panda Photographer, lead photographer, an ID number. Now there is also a bag here, which I'm going to explain a few things, okay? I also added press, and as you can see, the blue also helps stand out, but it's not as stand out as the red. But like I said before, I added strokes to press in my website URL. I also added a stroke to the Panda Photographer, and I added a fake phone number just to give you guys some clarity that you should add a phone number to your press pass just in case you do lose it, and they can contact you and they can return it. The ID number is not really important, but in some press passes it is. But this is more important here. The identifying the card to be used for private use to this person. Now that's me. Now on the very bottom you can see what it says that the courtesy showed in the following of this individual is exercising his or her rights under the First Amendment of the Constitution of the United States and will be appreciated. I added that because if someone was to look at my press pass and they see that fine print, they cannot void the First Amendment of the Constitution. It's important that you kind of add a little bit of credentials to your press pass so it looks very legit. And also, please have your business cards and your website ready, because without a website, you're not gonna actually get through the airports and get that discount either. You gotta have the website and you gotta have your credentials, and this is why you have to carry all three. But I wanted to show you what I was doing this early in the morning, and I decided to make a short video about this and try to give you guys some emphasis to make press passes. If you're a photographer and you travel from state or domestic or internationally, this is going to help you get those discounts with airlines. This is going to help you get into a lot of doors. And I will get this professionally laminated, so keep that in mind. If you get it professionally laminated, oh boy, that steps up your game when it comes down to your photography or your videography. But I just wanted to show you what I was up to, and I wanted to clarify a few things. And now you can download media press passes online for between $9 and $15. It depends on the style. I purchased mine, and this is the one I got. And basically, I'm working with it because I want something simple, clean, elegant, and I don't want too much junk on my pass, because there's a lot of unique media passes out there, but I want mine to be simple. I will be changing a few things from this point on, but I just wanted to give you some direction and to give you some information about why you should make one of these right now. But with that said, everyone, if you do like the content, please let me know down in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share this content. If you have any questions about media passes, just leave your questions down in the comments down below and I will get back to you, I promise. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.